Good morning, children. Now we can see what is the use of this open function. The Python file, data file has to be accessed. That is, the accessing means what? Reading a file, writing a file, deleting a file, modifying file. These of the processes are collectively called as accessing. File access, that refers, we can store the content, we can read the content already stored, and we can modify the content which is stored already. So these of the three collective processes are called file accessing. This is possible with the help of the open function. How to open a function? The syntax, we discuss about this example. The syntax is file object name. What is that? File object, what the file we are going to open, that the file is going to be referred this file object name. So file object name, we have to give this sign equal to, then open. Open is the name of function. Within this function, the argument can be of file name. So by default, the file name compulsory there, and we can give file mode, that is we want to specify, otherwise it will be default R mode. So this is a syntax for the open function. That means to use a file in our program, that is a text file what we have in our program, we must use the open function. This open function must have an argument of the file name, where the file name is stored in our computer memory, and this the file has to be assigned to one file object. This the variable is going to refer, this file object going to refer where in the memory of the data file stored. Okay, here file name object, open, file name, comma, file mode. File mode, there is the default mode is read, but I want to write, I want to do the modification in the file, I have to specify the file mode. If I am going to only read what is there we want to see, means no need to specify the file mode. If I am going to modify, if I am going to add, I am going to do some other process there, then I must specify the file mode there. So file mode, file open function must have a one argument, and the another argument, second argument is optional when we want to do other than the read process. Okay, so this is a syntax to open a file. Here we can consider the file object name. What is mean by? The file object name is nothing but a variable or identifier to refer the file where in the memory, okay, that it build the link between the file and the memory. So in our Python program, what the file we are going to use, that the file and that the memory where the file is stored, there it is going to build a link between that. Yes, suppose we have one file 12a.txt, it is a file in our memory. This the memory content, file data may be refer in our Python program with this name of a file object. So the file object is going to refer the memory content. So we are going to build the link between the file object in our Python program to the memory where the text file is stored. Yes, so what is the use of this file object name? It is a variable or identifier to refer, that is build a link between the file, data file in our memory to our Python program. For example, we have a file address in the folder d:sample. So in D drive, sample is the folder. In that folder, we are having a file name called address. So we want to build a link in this memory to our Python program area. So how we can build a link? Then only we can able to read the data, we can store the data. For that, we have to give file object name. For here, consider file address is a file object name equal to open d:/sample /address.txt. So in d:/sample address file is there. See, I am using here /, so I no need to use R here. If I am using slash here, I must specify R. It is a raw data. It is not refer the escape sequence, like I have to specify. So what happened when giving this the file open function? This the object in our Python program. That object is going to build a link wherein, see, in our hard disk memory we can have C:, D:, E:, F:, like the space are there. Where in the D:, we have so many folders. In that folders, one folder name is sample. In that sample folder, we have one data file called address.txt. So the file object in Python program going to build a link from here to there. Thank you.